In the last lesson we did inline CSS. In this video we're going to be looking at internal CSS. So you can see in my editor that we use the style attribute for internal CSS. So I'm just going to remove those style attributes just to give us our simple paragraph text and our H1 element there. If I save that, and in the browser you can say that these have been set to default. So this is a paragraph text, is back to black, and our H1 element displaying CSS Lesson is also back to black. So internal CSS, we actually go into our head section and we use the tag style in our HTML, and then we place our CSS properties in here, or our decorations. So to do exactly the same thing as we did for that P paragraph in the last lesson, put the paragraph tag, and then we need these curly braces, and then we need to put our CSS in here. So as we did before, it was colour and red with the semicolon. So if I save this, and then in the browser you can see that that text of the paragraph is now changed to red. And then if we want to do the same for the H1, we then put the H1 header, which is the one we'll change, the curly brace, and the colour, and we do blue. So let's do blue with a semicolon. Save that. And as we did before in the previous lesson, we've got the same. So the H1 header's content, CSS Lesson is changed to blue. Our paragraph is changed to red. Okay. So simply we use the style tag element, and then we need to use our selector, which is the P paragraph or the H1. And then within the curly braces, we then put our CSS declaration inside. Now, if I copy this paragraph and paste it, I'll just slightly change this. So we know there's two paragraphs. So this is another paragraph. And you see, as I've just saved that, it's put that on the screen in red as well. Because when you're using internal CSS and you declare a selector of P, this will change all the paragraphs in your HTML code. Just remember, when you're doing inline CSS, it will only change that paragraph, not any other paragraphs in the HTML code. So this internal way will change all the paragraphs, as it will change all the headers of H1. So this is how we do internal CSS. Please hit that subscribe button, like and share to help support this channel.